Gave you a brand new rebuilt engine so that you can run like a deer. I rebuilt your power shift transmission so that you can run smooth in any gear. I also gave you the maximum horsepower so that you could pull any implement. I blasted, sanded, and shaped you like a bullet. I gave you a new fuel system so that you could work all day. I primed, painted, and waxed so that you'd be ready to win Delo. Do you hear me? You are perfect.
Someone who loves the land as much as he does. Someone who knows the blessings of a good hard rain. Somebody simple and strong that he knows he can count on. Soft as the wind, yet bold enough to bless his name. That's why God loves cowboys. I believe there's a place in his heart. 'Cause when the herd needs tending, fences need mending, he knows they'll work hard on his great big ranch called life. 'Cause they love and take care of all his creations, from the horses they ride to those broken-hearted honky-tonk angels. Ooh, that's why God loves cowboys. He knew they'd need room to breathe and freedom, so he gave them Texas and the big Montana sky. He was there when he heard those planes coming from Cheyenne, out beside that young man on his last ride. That's why God loves cowboys. I believe there's a place in his heart. 'Cause when the herd needs tending, fences need mending, he knows they'll work hard on his great big ranch called life. 'Cause they love and take care of all his creations, from the horses they ride to those broken-hearted honky-tonk angels. Ooh, that's why God loves cowboys. Cold nights get lonely. He needs more than just a good fire to keep him warm. Ooh, there's nothing more holy than the love of a woman to weather life's storm. That's why God loves cowgirls. I believe there's a place in his heart. 'Cause when the herd needs tending, fences need mending, he knows they'll work hard on his great big ranch called life. 'Cause they love and take care of all his creations, from the horses they ride to those broken-hearted honky-tonk heroes. Ooh, that's why God loves cowgirls. That's why God loves cowboys.